I know reaching 200 subscribers doesn't sound like a big deal, but if you watched my last video, I spoke about giving yourself small challenges throughout the week. So if you're gonna give yourself small challenges, you might as well celebrate the small wins too. Reaching 200 subscribers shows that you're dedicated and it shows consistency, which is also gonna help build trust with your audience. You know, it means your audience is engaging with your content. It means you're doing something right. It means there's something about your content that's interesting. You probably don't have enough data to know exactly what it is. Just the fact that people are even gravitating towards your content is rewarding within itself. The more subscribers you get, the more views, the more comments you're gonna see come in. Yeah, you're gonna see some negative stuff in there too, but there's also gonna be positive feedback. So I would say focus on that and look into that. Look into why people like your stuff. See what they're saying. If they just like the look and the vibe of it, then just keep shooting the way you've been shooting. Just recently, I got a comment on my last video saying they really loved it. They thought it looked clean. They thought the sound was good. You know, the quality was there. They said it just looked dope. They didn't really say much about what I'm shooting and how and the content, but you know, that just tells me that I just need to keep doing whatever it is I'm doing, shooting it the way I'm shooting it, and shoot about whatever interests me for that day, and you know, just keep on moving with it like that. So I actually just got stopped by some guy asking me what am I doing, what am I shooting photos of or shooting video of, man. I think they're kind of getting kind of skeptic of me being out here, so I think I gotta find a new spot or something, man, before people start tripping out here. So that's one of the issues with shooting out here, is that this is the south side of Chicago. It's a blue collar area. You know, they're not really in tune with like what a content creator is. I just told this guy what I do and he's just like looking at me like, what the f are you talking about? There's another little spot over here down the street that I'm gonna go to that I actually shot another video at, but I didn't use the whole space. So I'm hoping I'll have a little bit more luck there and I won't deal with, you know, guys like that that are like questioning me and asking me a bunch of questions like, who are you? What are you doing here? You know, what are you taking video of? Why are you taking video of the property? This is one of the main reasons why I don't like shooting music videos outside anymore, because now it's like any ideas I had, any plans I had, basically just go out the window, man. And now you're just kind of like trying to figure out like, you know, how to recover from that and accomplish what you were trying to accomplish in the first place. So back to my thought. Man, so even at 200 subs, you're building a community. You're seeing what works. You're seeing what's gonna, you know, resonate with people. I think people are gravitating towards the look and feel of my videos. I'm gonna keep that going, obviously. I don't know what part of the content is gonna resonate more, if it's stuff like this, or if it's maybe more the behind the scenes type stuff, man, but we're gonna see what happens, man. I'm excited. You know, 200 subs doesn't sound like much, but like I said, if you're gonna give yourself small challenges, you gotta celebrate the small wins too. I think the next big challenge for me is 1,000 subs. So if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, you know what you gotta do. Show some love, put some comments in, let me know what you like, and I hope I see y'all in the next one.